You are watching Kit Kabinet, and this is the inbox review of the Italeri CR.42 Luftwaffe version in 1/72 scale. So this is the Luftwaffe edition of the very fine Italeri kit. And it's basically the same as all the other versions, the tropical version and the standard version that they released, except the parts inside are not quite identical to the other kits, and I'll show you what I mean right now. Okay, here we have the main sprues, and well, the kit itself looks excellent, the details brilliant. So let's go have a closer look. Now here's the thing that makes it the Luftwaffe version, and it has the shortened wheel spats and these flame dampers on the enlarged exhaust pipes, which is basically what makes a Luftwaffe version. So you might wonder, where does it differ? Where does this kit differ from the other releases? Well, if you look over here, you see that these sprues have been cut off, and that is because here there would be parts for like an Italian night fighter version with the lamps on there. Lamps are not included in this version, and on this sprue also nicely detailed. Look at the cockpit, brilliant. Yes, on this sprue there would also be an extra frame window, and there would be skis for the Swedish version, I believe a couple of bombs. So if you buy this version, this Luftwaffe version, then please note that you'll be getting different parts, slightly different parts. The basic kit, the basic plane is the same, that's not a problem, but the extra parts, you'll have to decide which version you want, just to give you an indication of the detail. Yeah. Really cool. The transparency, well, there's just one part left, and that's the windscreen, because on this little stub there used to be like the lights for the Italian night fighter version, which is not included in this kit. The decals, they look fine, nicely in register. Of course, with most modern kits, the swastikas are not included on this version. Well, you can gripe about that. If you want to be hysterically correct, you can get some aftermarket swastikas. Personally, I don't mind, because I bought this set from Kora Decals with Belgian markings. So I'm going to turn this into a Belgian Falco anyway, because yay Belgium. The instruction sheet. Yeah, well. Anti-camouflage markings. Yeah, well, it basically builds up into a nice kit. There's one thing though, I wouldn't recommend this kit for a beginner, mainly because it's a biplane. It has a lot of struts that need careful aligning, and if you want to go all out with the wiring as well. That may take a little effort and a little skill, but for the advanced modeler I think this should build up nicely. And in conclusion, we have some very nice color profiles on the back of the box. So I hope you enjoyed this little review. Thank you for watching, and until the next video.